In this video, I will demonstrate what the hashtag is and why it is important in YouTube videos. Let's start the video. Welcome to Star Technology 5G. What are hashtags? Hashtags are keywords preceded by a hashtag symbol. Hashtags allow you to easily connect your content with other videos or playlists that share the same hashtag. Hashtags are used on all social media platforms, including YouTube, as they can help viewers find your videos and classify your content. Hashtags also allow viewers and listeners to find related content via search. What are YouTube hashtags? YouTube hashtags are the same hashtag often referred to with the hashtag symbol. Like other social media apps. According to YouTube, hashtags can improve a video's discoverability on the YouTube platform. Hashtags on YouTube work like those on other social media platforms. When we put a hashtag symbol, YouTube makes that tag a clickable link. When you click on a hashtag, it takes you to other posts that also use that same hashtag. For example, hashtag travel vlog. You can see that hashtag travel vlog has 1.5 million videos. And YouTube also made this hashtag a clickable link. Click on hashtag travel vlog. They are all using hashtag travel vlog. Why do we use YouTube hashtags? YouTube hashtags can help you get more video views, but in a few different ways. As we discussed, when a user clicks a hashtag, they'll be brought to videos that contain that hashtag, even if they are not subscribed to your channel. This can help you attract a bigger audience and get more subscribers to your channel. As with other channels, users can click on a hashtag, which will become hyperlinked, and be directed to that hashtag search results, where they can see more content related to that topic. When we use hashtag, YouTube adds your videos to different playlists that can help keep viewers watching your content longer. Where to add hashtag to YouTube video? Open YouTube Studio. Upload a video. There are two different ways to add hashtags to your videos. First, you can add hashtags into your video title. Second, you can add hashtags to your video description. Write a video description. I already copied the video description, I will paste it here. How to add hashtags. Adding hashtags to your YouTube videos is not rocket science. In fact, all you have to do is put a hashtag symbol in front of your word or phrase with no spaces or dashes. Once you type the hashtag symbol, YouTube will provide suggestions. This suggestion depends upon what video title you used. Hashtag Kashmir. Hashtag Neelam. Hashtag Neelam Valley. Hashtag Travel. Hashtag Hill Station. The same procedure applies when you add hashtag to your video title. Type the hashtag, YouTube will provide suggestions. Here you can use hashtag that you did not use in your video description. And you can also use the same hashtag. Hashtag Neelam River. Hashtag Neelam Valley Azad Kashmir. Like any other hashtag, the hashtags we used in the video title are also clickable. The important things to remember with hashtags are to not overuse them. We recommend no more than 5 hashtags per video, and make sure that they are related and specific to your content. For instance, hashtag video will not be as productive as hashtag YouTube strategy. It's also important to remember that if a video has more than 15 hashtags, YouTube will ignore all of the hashtags on that video, and it's possible that they may remove your video from your uploads or from search. Now you might be thinking about the difference between tags and hashtag. Scroll down. No, it is not made for kids. Show more. Scroll down. Here are tags. Tags are specific words or phrases that are used to label and categorize a video. There is a specific space for tags. And they will not show up in your video description and video titles. They help YouTube understand the content of the video and make it easier for users to discover related videos. Delete all tags. Open Google and search YouTube Tags Generator. Open this link and write here your video title. Search. Copy tags. Paste here. On the other hand, hashtag allows you to easily connect your content with other videos or playlists that share the same hashtag. Hashtag makes a clickable link. When you click on a hashtag, it takes you to other posts that also use that same hashtag. Hashtag can be included in the title of the video and in the video description. Now I will publish this video. Next. Add end screen card. Save. Next. Next. Publish. Close. Contents. Your channel. Click on this video. You can see here the hashtag we added to a video title. These are clickable hashtag. Now click on show more. And here are hashtag that we added in our video description. These are clickable hashtag. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to Star Technology. Please like and share the video.